Hi besties, thank you so much for watching the video. Today I've got an amazing tutorial for you. I'm going to show you how to create a dark purple smoky eye with a touch of glitter. Trust me, this look is going to make you shine on your night out no matter what you are wearing, and the best part, it's super easy to create. Just stick with me. I will teach you step by step, so let's get started. To start off, I apply a soft light pink eyeshadow as a base all over my eyelids. The main goal of using this color is to create a smooth and even base for the rest of the eyeshadow. I use a dark purple eyeshadow and I prefer using a single eyeshadow shade. You can choose the dark purple shade from your favorite eyeshadow palette for this purpose. I use a fluffy brush and apply it all over my eyelids. I'm fully focused on blending, so you should take your time and focus on blending the eyeshadow to ensure there are no harsh lines and that your eyelid is well covered with the eyeshadow. I want the area behind my eyelid to be darker, so I gradually add the dark purple shade and blend it well, just like in the previous process. If you think the result is not clean, don't worry at all, we will further set the eyeshadow to improve it. I apply the dark purple shade to my lower lash line and blend it well to create a seamless effect. As I mentioned earlier, I apply a richer layer of eyeshadow to the area behind my eyelid to make it bolder. Additionally, I carefully blend the crease area to ensure a seamless transition without any harsh lines. I use a flat and a small brush to apply black eyeshadow, which is commonly found in most eyeshadow palettes. I gently sweep the brush along the outer corner of my eyelid. To achieve a lifted effect, I carefully blend the eyeshadow on the outer corner of my eyelid with the same brush. Because working with black eyeshadow can be challenging, especially when applying a large amount. Therefore, I gradually build up the intensity and blend it meticulously to create the desired look. Besides, I use a fluffy brush to blend the eyeshadow well to create a soft, smoky effect without any harsh lines. I know that blending eyeshadow can be a bit boring, but the more you blend it, the better results you will see. I use a smaller brush and apply the eyeshadow along my lower lash line, starting from the outer corner and extend it towards the middle. Dip your fluffy brush into the dark purple shade and apply it along the entire lower lash line. You can even use a flat or a small brush for this step. It's time for glitter. I love this part. I apply the glitter in the same way as shown in the video, tapping it onto the center of my eyelid using my finger. I use the white glitter, which adds a special shine and beauty to your makeup. I'm a fan of glitter eye looks, and they truly look stunning. You can choose a silver glitter from your eyeshadow palette as well. The product I chose can be used both as an eyeshadow and as a shimmer for the body and face, which looks amazing. As you can see, I apply the glitter with a smaller brush to the inner corner of my eye and my lower lash line as well. It truly enhances the beauty of my eye makeup. Personally, I have fallen in love with it. It's time for eyeliner. I use a liquid eyeliner for this step. I start from the outer corner of my eye and create a wing, extend it towards the middle. The reason I don't extend it all the way to the inner corner is that I have puffy eyes, and when I draw a line from the beginning to the end of my lash line, it makes my eyes look more tired, puffy, or bigger, which personally I don't prefer. And for the final step, I use mascara. You can use false eyelashes if you like. Thanks for watching the video so far. I hope you had a good time. If you're interested in makeup content, I upload tutorial videos every week showing different makeup styles. You can watch whatever you like based on your preferences. So if you don't want to miss out on any videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Show some love by liking and sharing the videos with your friends. Love you all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.